I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Peugeot. As you can see, it's got this iPad kind of screen here. If we click on the direction arrow and the N, it brings up this sat nav screen. Now you've got menu in the corner here. If you click on menu, enter address. From the enter address screen, all I can see is you put the whole address in. If you try and put the postcode in, it won't allow you to search for a postcode. But if you go back and into search, point of interest, and our postcode is our address is Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Watnedale, Preston, PR. To get the numbers, you just have to click on that there. 5 4, back to letters, J S, and then click OK. And there you see it's Watnedale, Preston, Chorley Road, Preston. Click on there. Add, and it's calculating. It's only asking me to add because I just put the same thing in when I was testing it. So that's it. That's how you set it. As I say, alternatively, if you go into menu, I can't see anywhere where you can enter a postcode, and if you try and put it in here, you can only put Preston in. Preston, like so. Preston, and then click OK. You've got to put the Chorley Road and then a number 277, and then click OK. Destination or stage, add.
After 90 yards, you are approaching your waypoint.
That's it. That's how you do it.